Military home buyers, this segment is for you. What programs are available to you in the home buying process? We're here to talk about that with James Anderson with CapCenter. James, thanks so much for joining us today.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having us.
So what are the options for military home buyers?
Absolutely. So the VA loan is a great option for military home buyers. There are some limitations where you do have to have a certain amount of service or been active during wartime. And VA financing, some of the benefits, zero down. You can make a zero down payment. And then there's no mortgage insurance. Loans are a little more favorable to past bankruptcies, foreclosures, things of that nature as well. But yeah, it's a very friendly program for veterans and active military.
What are some things that people may not realize about the VA loan that military home buyers come to and they're just not aware of that you can let them know about here?
Yeah, the two big things is they actually announced in the last year, maybe a little over a year ago, that there isn't really an upper limit on the loan amounts you can get with the VA with no down payment. It used to be a limitation. If you went over the county limit, you had to pay a down payment or a portion of a down payment. So we actually have one right now where the loan amount is equal to the purchase price over $800,000. The second thing is that a lot of veterans don't know you can actually have more than one VA loan. So if someone who currently resides in a property with a VA loan, if they want to convert it to a rental, they can actually purchase another primary residence with their VA loan, subject to some entitlement limitations. But a lot of people actually qualify for more than they think they do for a second VA loan.
Well, speaking of limitations, people might have questions about other limitations of this loan, like refinancing, for example.
Sure. Yeah, the limitation on refis, there's a product called an IRRL, which stands for Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan. It's a mouthful, where your interest rate has to drop by at least 0.5% to qualify for that program. That program typically doesn't require an appraisal, a lot of things that make that a little easier. And then on the purchase side of things, we also really have to look at what's called the residual income, actually the take-home pay. And sometimes there's some limitations on what we can do if your take-home pay isn't high enough.
People may have questions for you. Where can they go to get answers?
You can go to our website at capcenter.com or call our local number 757-456-1800 to learn about our zero closing cost loan programs. Also, we are a realty company where we do reduce listing fees and share a portion of our commission if we help you buy a house. So lots of good programs that we're able to offer in accordance with the VA loan.
James, thank you very much.
I appreciate the time.